When you tidy up, you feel calmer and more in control. Your mind works the same way. By clearing out the mental clutter, you can reduce stress, improve your focus, and even boost your creativity. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed and your thoughts are racing, you're in the right place. A great starting point is a simple technique called focused breathing. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Now just bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to change it. Just notice it. Feel the air coming in through your nose, filling your lungs, and then feel it gently leaving your body. As you do this, your mind will inevitably wander. A thought will pop up, like what should you make for dinner? Or did you reply to that email? The moment you notice your mind has wandered, that's a small victory. Don't get frustrated. Just gently acknowledge the thought, let it go like a cloud passing in the sky, and guide your focus back to your breath. Inhale, exhale. That's it. You're not fighting your thoughts. You're just choosing not to engage with them. It is like standing on a train platform and watching the trains of thought go by without hopping on one. Another powerful technique is what I like to call a brain dump. This is especially useful when your mind is cluttered with tasks and worries. Grab a notebook and a pen, or open a blank document on your computer. Now, just write down everything that's on your mind. Absolutely everything. No more filter, no more organization, just get it all out. Your grocery list, that awkward thing you said yesterday, your big life goals, your fears, let it all flow onto the page. The physical act of writing it down transfers the burden from your mind to the paper. It tells your brain, hey, I've got this captured. You don't need to keep reminding me. Once it's all written down, you'll often feel an immediate sense of relief. The chaos in your head is now an organized, or maybe not so organized, list that you can look at objectively. You can then decide what needs action, what can wait, and what you can simply let go of. It's a practical way to declutter your mental space. Let's also talk about engaging your senses to ground yourself in the present moment. This is a form of mindfulness that pulls you out of the whirlwind of your thoughts and into the reality of your surroundings. It's often called the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Wherever you are right now, take a moment. First, look around and name 5 things you can see. It could be a lamp, a book, a crack in the wall, anything. Then, name 4 things you can feel. Maybe it's the texture of your clothes, the warmth of your hands, or the chair beneath you. Next, listen for 3 things you can hear. It might be the hum of a computer, birds outside, or the sound of your own breathing. Then, name 2 things you can smell. Maybe it's the faint scent of coffee or the fresh air from an open window. Finally, name 1 thing you can taste. Perhaps it is the lingering taste of your last meal or just the neutral taste in your mouth. By intentionally focusing on your senses, you anchor yourself in the here and now, making it much harder for your mind to drift off into past regrets or future worries. Finally, remember that emptying your mind is a practice, not a perfect state you achieve overnight. There will be days when your mind feels like a calm lake, and the other days when it feels like a raging ocean. That is completely normal and okay. The goal isn't to never have a thought again. The goal is to build a better relationship with your thoughts, where you are in control, not them. Be patient and be kind to yourself. Start small. Maybe try just 1 minute of focused breathing today, then 2 minutes tomorrow. Celebrate the small moments of quiet you create. Over time, you'll find that these moments become more frequent and easier to access. You are building a mental muscle, and like any muscle, it gets stronger with consistent practice. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these techniques help you find a little more peace and quiet in your daily life. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on living a more mindful and intentional life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments what's your favorite way to quiet your mind. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.